Hello! Happy Thursday! I am currently 21 weeks and 1 day preggers. Yan yung ating belly at 21 weeks. So, I'm more than halfway na guys. 5 buwan na ang aking belly. Nagluto ako kagabi na. Ano oras na ba? Lunchtime na. 11:54 in fairness. Maaga ako nagising kanina. Meron lang akong tinapos kasi mamayang hapon, I will be looking after sa boys. Si Eli at saka si Tio. Bango kasi may attend the funeral yung niya. Mama at saka papa niya. So, we will have lunch. Para tapos na tayo kumain before dumating ang mga bata. Mamaya pa naman yun sila. Mainit na malamig. I have chicken left. Nagluto ako kagabi ng chicken wings. Ginamit ko yung Del Monte na breading mix. Ito. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung crispy fry. Lalo na yung spicy na crispy fry. Pero si Dan gusto niya. I-double fry ko siya kasi single fry lang ako kagabi. So, ilibig ko lang ulit yung oil. Ito yung oil na ginamit ko kagabi din. And then we will double fry that. Hintayin lang natin na sobrang uminit yung oil. And yeah, di ako nag-vlog kahapon. Nag-edit ako ng maraming videos para ma-free ko yung araw ko ngayon. Kasi nga, I will be looking after the boys. And kailangan kong mag-come up ng design ng closet kasi sa Sabado ng umaga imi-meet namin yung gumawa nitong mga cabinets namin. Maganda kasi yung pagkagawa niya. Hindi siya yung pinakamura, pero maganda kasi yung pagkagawa niya. Matagal na kami dito sa bahay pero walang ni isa sa mga cabinets namin, mga drawers namin sa closet yung alam mo yun, yung may sign na masisira na siya, like, very sturdy. And kapag mga ganito kasi, kailangan, alam mo yun, matibay talaga siya. Kasi, ino-open mo siya lagi, diba? Just imagine how many times I open the drawers, like, ito sa, under the sink, like, sa pantry, everyday, multiple times a day, ilang beses isang araw. So, kailangan talaga matibay yung paggagawa. So, sabi na Dan, i-check namin kung ano yung i-charge niya. Kasi sa bagong bahay, ang dami naming drawers, ang dami naming storage, as in. Yan kasi yung namin, gusto namin, ayaw namin na naka-display yung mga bagay-bagay as much as possible. Kung malagyan ng drawer dyan or ng storage dyan sa area na yan, lalagyan talaga namin para it's like clean looking. So, nag-start ako kahapon magtingin-tingin ng mga idea kung anong gagawin ko sa closet. Yeah, may mga ideas na ako but I need to put all of the ideas together para ma-come up ko yung gusto ko. And tingnan natin kung magkano. So yeah, mag-measure ako mamaya sa closet, guys. Sana masimulan natin yun before dumating yung boys. Dito na sila, guys. Nilak ko lang yung door kasi pinaalis ko sila. Sabi ko, hindi ko na kayo ihatin sa door kasi si Tio, nabangga yung ulo niya dun sa Instead na maglakad siya dito straight, pumunta siya sa kwarto namin. So, nauntog siya. Ayun, umiiyak siya kanina. Pero ngayon, you're okay now? You're gonna teach me how to play this? Bingo? Okay.
Let's see. Do I do it?
Okay.
And also some hard games. I can teach you how to play this game.
Okay, you teach me how to play that game as well.
It's a monster game.
Monster game.
Yeah, you have to jump up and get on the boat.
Oh, wow, okay. That's exciting. All right. Theo will teach me bingo and you will teach me that game, okay? And we've got, what's this movie, Eli? Ulama, what's that?
Llama.
Llama.
No, llama.
I like your outfit.
Card.
Oh yeah, you got the bingo cards. All right, now how do we play this?
You have to pick the cards and see if you have it on the circle. Put a circle in. And then when you win, it says bingo.
Okay, yep.
Another picture there.
That is a seahorse.
Another seagull.
That's a seahorse. Where's the fish, Theo?
Yeah.
There, we found him. You okay there?
To this side.
Continue. Here.
Oh yeah. That's
Yeah.
how I do that sometimes.
Okay.
At the school.
Lalaro siya temple run. Good job, Eli. You're doing good.
No, what language are you speaking?
What language am I speaking?
Yeah.
Filipino.
My mommy told me that.
Yeah? Your mommy told you about my language?
Yeah. My mommy told me about you doing languages. Filipino.
Filipino, yeah. Alright, let's do this.
But I have to take the cards first.
Okay, so do I have to gather all the cards?
What? In there. Like here.
Gather all the cards. Is this your new toy, Theo?
Yeah.
Yeah, who got you this?
Mom.
Mommy?
Yeah.
She went to the shops? Yeah?
Yeah, but every character has to get these.
Okay.
We need 4 players, but I can't play now. But we don't have 4 players. We only have 3 players.
I know. Is that okay?
No, because other people want to play. Well, it's a really fun game.
Yeah, but like we can't have 4. There's only 3 of us now. And you're not playing either, are you?
Yeah.
You're just...
I'm just gonna play my iPad.
Okay.
When I'm done it, I can play.
Okay. Yeah, you can play with your iPad. That's okay. Just let me know when you're finished and we can play this together. Theo, it's just gonna be you and me.
Okay. An island. Bingo.
Bingo!
I got a baby. Yeah. I got a baby.
Where's the baby? Nice, you're a key. Where's my baby?
You're there.
I have a baby.
Okay, so the bag full of coins. And a bag full of coins.
Nice. Collect it.
You got a baby there.
Not here. I don't have a baby here, but I have a baby here.
Yeah.
Yes. I know. It's growing, isn't it? It's a big baby.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
There? That's not a baby. That's not my tummy, you silly.
We used to be babies.
I know. You guys used to be babies. Now you're big boys. Are you a big
Yeah.
boy now, Theo? Yeah. And you are too, Eli. You're a big boy now.
I forget. I left that on my side.
Gutom daw si Eli. Tingnan natin anong baon nila. What did you guys bring? Oh, lucky! Sandwiches! Yeah, and then you've got yogurt, cheese, and sultanas yummers. Alright. Alright, let's do this. That's for baby. That's Eli's.
That's mine.
Here, I'll open it for you, Bob. Where did the penguin go? There's no penguin. That's okay. Oh, yum! Which one's yours, Eli? This one? So that's Theo's. That's Theo's. Yes. Say hi, Philippines. What's that? The baby wants to drink? Okay. Wanna give it to the baby?
Here, baby.
Here, baby. Okay. Baby's full? Okay, that's good.
The baby need my yogurt.
The baby ate your yogurt?
No.
It needs your yogurt?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, baby.
Here, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you. Nom 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 nom. Oh, full. Thank you. You're not hot? Do you want to put a t-shirt on?
No, no. Wait, Ma. I didn't have a heart.
I'll cut your t-shirt.
No, I don't.
You don't want a t-shirt? I've got a t-shirt for you, look. You don't want to put it on? You're not hot? I'm not making anything. I'm putting away the dishes. Do you want to help? You want to help? Give me your pocket. Do you have money in your pocket? No money? What's in your pocket? Nothing. You want to help Auntie Rose? That's a big one. Okay, put it in. Nice. I'll reach it for you, okay? There you go. Thank you very much. Oh, that's all good. Yeah, that's clean. We don't have to touch that. That's clean. You want to help me put this one in? Just right here. Thank you. No, just careful. That one right there. Thank you very much. This one as well. Okay, let's put it there. Thank you. All good. For the cups? Okay. Okay. And we'll hold it. Hold it tight, yeah? Thank you. That's Uncle Lenny's. That's Uncle Lenny's cup. Okay, this one? You want to help me with this one? Alright, let's put it here. Right at the back there. Thank you very much. Okay. There's two. Let's put it here. Oh, that's a big one. Wait for it to rise. We don't want to break anything, right? Okay, here. Help me. Put it here. Thank you. Thank you very much. This one? Yeah? That's a big one. Okay. This one's a big one. Right here. Yeah, so that's a big one as well here. Okay. Heaps of plates. This is the third one. You like that one? You like a big plate? You like big plates? Good job. Last one. Ooh, good job for helping. Thank you very much. Close it. Yeah. Yay, thank you. Oh, good. No, we don't have to do that. That's all good. Nothing's in there. It's empty. Oh, good. Thank you. Time to change your nappy. Come on. Need to change your nappy. Okay, this is gonna be quick.
The bike one.
Which one do you like? Choose. Hey, choose which one. That one. Okay. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be real fun. Alright, come on. Come on. Where are we gonna change your nappy? Where do you wanna go to the room? Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. This is gonna be quick. This is gonna be fun. Come on. And then after this, you're gonna be really happy. Because the nappy's not gonna be wet. Where are you going? Whoa, why am I making you sad? Because we need to change your nappy. It's wet. After that, you're gonna be happy. Okay? Because mommy's coming. Come on. Come on. Sabi niya, you make me sad. Ayaw niyo magpa-change. Hey. No. Come on. Alright, okay, Uncle Danny's coming. We need to do it before Uncle Danny comes here. Before Uncle Danny gets home, come on.
I'm gonna smack him in the face.
You will? Alright, let's go to the room and change your nappy. Come on, because Uncle Danny's coming. Come on. You don't want Uncle Danny to change your nappy? Yeah, okay. Hintay niyo si Uncle Danny. Uncle Danny's not here yet. But he will be home soon. We'll wait for him?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get back.
You're gonna smack him in the butt?
Yeah, what's that?
That's a bike.
Really, what on the bike and
Yeah, it's a small bike. It's a toy.
it's a toy.
Yeah.
Really, what on it? I get back into you.
You got a bike? You got a big one?
Yeah.
Alas 5 na, guys. Who's coming home?
I'm gonna.
Uncle Danny's coming home? So what are we gonna do? What are you gonna do to Uncle Danny?
I'm gonna in the butt.
You're gonna smack him in the butt? How about you, Eli? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna smack him in the head and his face and his butt and his eye.
Aww, poor Uncle Danny. Not his eye. Just butt. Right, Tia? Just butt. Ilang oras na sila dito pero wala pa namang nagkasakitan. wala pang nasaktan. Tapos biglang pagdating ni Dan ba, magkasakitan yung mga bata. Careful please, don't fall, careful. Watch out! Hey, careful! Gulo-gulo. Not the face. No, not the face, please. Not the face.
We haven't been naughty.
No, but you might be scared. I said, and you open the door, come on, Auntie Ray can do yours.
No, you're not being naughty. Uncle Danny's just being silly.
Come on, come on.
Come on, Theo. Come on. Come on, Mommy's here, Theo.
Mommy's here. She can't stop. She says she'll be quick. Go, no, good. Behave. Yeah, good, Auntie Ray. Put your socks on.
He's not chasing you.
I'm not chasing you. I'm not chasing.
Mommy's
You're such a
coming.
naughty boy.
Then Mommy's going to prepare dinner.
Oh,
You guys can eat.
I heard you have chocolate ice cream tonight. You
No.
want chocolate ice cream? Chocolate.
You guys are not being naughty. You guys are being really good today.
Is Uncle Danny being naughty?
Right?
Shoes, hold the kids, hold the horses.
It's okay, Mommy's coming. Your shoes are getting tight, Theo.
Your feet are getting big.
Oh, good job, Eli. You're doing it all by yourself.
You're gonna do it first, Eli or Hugo?
Theo.
Eli or Theo? Where's Hugo?
Did you smack Uncle Danny already? Have you done that yet?
Billy, look at your belly What about this stuff? Does this guy hear us?
Yes, yes. Are you gonna carry your bag? Hey. Oh wait, Theo, your bingo. Theo, wait. Your bingo. It's really heavy. Can I raise help?
Let's go outside. That as well.
Yeah, that's Theo's t-shirt.
Alright, let's go.
That's it. Can I help, please? No?
Come.
Yeah, he doesn't want help with that bag. That's all, Eli. Thank you for being good. You're such a good boy.
What's the need video?
Oh, parantas.
Hello?
Parantas.
Arantas? Where from?
I don't know. They're gone! Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin sa dinner. Kapag nandito kasi sila, lalo na kapag yung dalawa, parang hindi talaga ako nakakagawa ng kung ano-ano. Like, trabaho ba? Kasi, baka, kasi baka malipat. Ano bang Tagalog ng lipat? Baka malipat ako, tapos may mangyari sa kanila. Baka, alam mo naman itong bahay namin. Hindi siya kid-friendly. Gusto ko mag-Indian food. Guys, we're heading to the Indian restaurant. Sabi ko magte-take away lang kami. Tapos sabi ni Dan, doon na lang kaya tayo kakain. Kanina pa siya check ng check kung okay lang ako kasi ang tagal nga ng mga bata sa akin. Tapos dalawa pa. Sabi ko, okay lang naman ako. Sabi niya, sumasakit ba yung ulo mo? Sabi ko, hindi naman. Tingnan niyo siya. Nice outfit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
What's up? Are we going on a date?
No.
Okay. Kala ko we're going on a date eh.
You wish.
Matagal na ako na, hindi naman matagal, mga 2 nights na ako nagsasabi kay Dan, Indian food, Indian food, Indian food. Kasi na-miss ko yung lagi akong binibigyan, hindi ko na i-mention yung pangalan niya kasi baka biglang may dumating na lang na Indian food sa bahay bukas. Pero yung kasama ko sa work noon, lagi niya akong binibigyan ng Indian food, diba? Like halos araw-araw meron siyang Indian food para sa akin kasi alam niya na gustong-gusto ko. Pero gusto ko yung simple lang, yung chickpeas, tapos yung parata na parang bread siya, guys. And I have been watching best ever review show sa YouTube lately. Kasi natutuwa ako sa mga travel food churva niya. And yung mga pinapanood ko lately is yung yung trip niya sa Japan. And sabi ko, oh my gosh, kinain ko yan, nakain ko na yan. Binigyan ako niyan, nakain ko na yan. And na-miss ko. Tapos ilang beses na kasi kami nagpunta ng Indian restaurant. And hindi ko makuha-kuha yung mga natikman ko sa ka-work ko nga. Kasi hindi ko alam yung mga pangalan. So, nung pinanood ko yung video ng Best Ever Review Show, at least may idea na ako sa mga pangalan, yung flatbread na may laman, isparata, ganon. Meron pa akong isa na parang bread din na hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko nakita sa video niya. Pero yun din yung laging binibigay sa akin. Yun, tapos with chickpeas, sobrang sarap. Sobrang simple pero napakasarap. Long day.
For you or for me?
For both of us? Did you have a long day?
Yesterday was a long day. Today I'm just really tired.
Okay.
Yeah, those kids are crazy.
No, they just went really crazy as soon as you got home. But
No, well behaved?
yeah, they're always well behaved.
Oh my God.
Dito na kami, North Indian cuisine. Yay! Nagpabook kami ng alas 6. Walang tao. Yay!
There you go.
Please don't enter if you are unwell. Okay. Maganda dito kasi nakikita. Nakita. And then chickpeas. Ito yung aming pagkain. Ito yung hinahanap-hanap ko. Parata. Siya, bread na mayroong lamang potato. Masarap to. Pero ang laki niya. Sobrang laki niya. Sinold lang ni ate. And then chickpeas. Ayan. Walang rice. Para ito na yung gamitin mong spoon. Tapos ganon. Kain-kain. Samosa. And then buttered chicken for Danny Boy. And cheesy naan. Meron siyang coconut water. And then I got mango lassi. Nakita ko din to sa video. Mango lassi, babe. Parang mango shake. Let's eat.
So that's what you've been craving?
Yeah, this.
Okay.
These two. I know. Really good. Do you know how to eat it? Yeah, like that. Yummers? Spicy. Yum. This is really good. Try it.
You like your choices?
Yeah. It's got condensed milk, I think. No, a thick mango shake. Sweet. Let's get one for me to take home. I think it's okay to store in the fridge.
Ask him how long it lasts before you take it.
Yeah, okay. It's good.
It probably will be.
Bye na kami.
You can't call this guy.
Okay. Nagpunta na kami ng Kohl's. Bumili ako croissant and
Yeah, good thanks. How are you?
nagdaan kami sa Kmart din. Pero wala akong binili. May mga tinignan lang ako. Tinake away namin yung aking parata. At saka yung chickpeas. Ang dami kong natira. Lunch ko yun bukas, guys. Craving satisfied. We will work on the wardrobe plan today. Tatingnan natin kailan yung ating planong gawin.